Welcome to Learn Smart Kids.
Hello, little artists. Are you ready for a colorful adventure? Let's learn all about colors in a fun and exciting way. Look at this bright and bold color. It's red. Say it with me. Red. Apples are red. Fire trucks are red. Fire is red. Fire. Can you find something red around you? Here's a cool and calm color. Blue. Say it with me. Blue. The sky is blue. The ocean is blue. Butterflies can be blue. Butterfly. Let's wave our hands in the air like the ocean waves. Here's a bright and happy color. Yellow. Say it with me. Yellow. The sun is yellow. Bananas are yellow. Baby chicks are yellow. Let's flap like a little chick. Flap, flap, flap. Wow, this color is fresh and lively. It's green. Say it with me. Green. Leaves are green. Turtles are green. Green apples are yummy. Can you jump like a happy frog? Jump, jump, jump. Let's look at this warm and fun color. Orange. Say it with me. Orange. Oranges are orange. Foxes are orange. Campfires glow orange. Let's wiggle like a little fox. Wiggle, wiggle. A sweet and lovely color. Pink. Say it with me. Pink. Flowers can be pink. Bows can be pink. Pigs are pink. Let's twirl like a pink ribbon. Sparkles. Here's a magical and royal color. Purple. Say it with me. Purple. Grapes are purple. Unicorns love purple. Kings and queens wear purple crowns. Can you wave like a royal king or queen? King and queen. Here's a strong and cozy color. Brown. Say it with me. Brown. Chocolate is brown. Bears are brown. Walnuts are brown. Let's stomp like a big brown bear. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Look at this dark and cool color, black. Say it with me. Black. Meow, meow. Cats can be black. The night sky is black. A black heart is cool. Can you tiptoe like a sneaky black cat? Shh. Tiptoe, tiptoe. Wow, this color is so pure and bright. White. Say it with me. White. Snowflakes are white. Rabbits are white. Rice is white. Let's hop like a little white bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Now, here's a cool and soft color. Gray. Say it with me. Gray. Elephants are gray. Rain clouds are gray. Sharks can be gray. Let's stomp like a big gray elephant. Boom, boom, boom. Wow, you learned so many colors today. Let's say them all together. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, pink, purple, brown, black, white, gray. Now it's time for a fun challenge. Look around and find your favorite color. What color do you see? Tell me in the comments. Great job, little artists. Subscribe and like video. See you next time for more fun learning. Bye-bye.